Abusiafo Afia Schwar ana chese waba abontin ababe kasa ede afa eye Dr. Grace Boadu ensensema etwagu wo social media no so. Abusua mami awue echi nsema chese epop ba out de kama koye se ano ya yeden. Nipa de nka owu a chese ne abusua ana yeden esubom na ye no modi areho abom ye wi a chese emu no ne akwakoto ede ato eye eseye na chese yaba betena afie na chese de ato eye abrabo so nanso eye Dr. Grace Boadu we die insema etwetweba no enya asem ketewa ebi mo kanfo no ebi mo ka ne ho nsem pa san so ne bi ka ne ho nsem bone a chese insema Afia Schwar ababetena monten so ka edify Dr. Grace Boadu insem no ho de abusia anodin so abusia beko na yakwakojimu enchiremu ba mesro so obedi kan emia subscribe button no na wamia eyebel na ewo nchen like video no so na bibia enye kama Afia Schwar echeni nsemu a abusia wo chema o se eye Dr. Grace Boadu or not ase no yes kama chese omuhu bida notorious kama pa chese oni de na odi hospital na no na ase herbal clinic na waye no na eno na odi cover nyoma ema chese wo twe na no edesi eye FDA for so ema chese nsem wakafa FDA for ho no o se onya bribe wo mo poison cramp na o mema okwan amwaton edi amagana fo
it's FDA. It's the most corrupt institution. Me bo machi enti me advert ma no more attack you. Say advert no me jaye because I can live by my means without advertising for anybody's shit so that I can protect Ghanaians. The most corrupt institution in Ghana is FDA. So woman who scan with your bribe on me packaging bini I'm a Ghana for Eddie. One investigated Grace Boadu. Me se wo ya wodru onam IVF ase. IVF. I have list of hospitals. But mami wait to go jiska so ya wodru. Once again Grace Boadu obusu afo. Samo pese ye kan sama ye beka. Mompa, mon financial me mon fan kwasha form. No be answer the baby. Imagine deceiving vulnerable people and giving them medicine when you yourself know that a drone out the man or suffer a some who area and casam will be peba why you more when be hospitals and wafa bloggers, and because they are advertising for you, and I don't blame the bloggers because me open the product now is FDA approved. I will advertise it. I will assume I will assume it's a good medication, and what you are selling, what you are telling me has been approved by an institution, but it has been approved by a corrupt institution. FDA is who you know and what you have. Be careful as a Ghanaian. Be careful. Be careful as a Ghanaian. I'm telling you today, that woman had no business selling you any form of drug. Had no business. Abusuafo, whether they know it or not, or when you say mama no now or your self-medication now or one whole panic and do they know that? Yaye din yeremo yere but me you aga ni but who buying. I cannot be in all your homes and enforce what you put in your mouth. This is what I can do to protect you. This is my little bit I can give you. I dare the family. I dare the family. I dare them. Meseke no of a friend of our peer. Audio ya me boy. Girl no ye come out of our peer. Naming the people that will work on I've got 10 audios. A bit free the workers. Mostly free our team. Odi hye wu a me papa wu ye. Why no hu se busuafo ne yeko. Enso ne yeko. Ne yeko gidi. Na jadem. Yeah, but if I'm to social media, be until you see a new be out in the baby. No, or won't be a kayaka. Any a tea baby. Now, me one in Casamania or Nuntino. Can I'm saying? Remember, Pawuye made the sanction for her woman say you nothing. And maybe no quite chatting so more quantina. Nina come a train, and more dinner will be frantina the befriend. Then called the Adini trust in capital letters. Then your more minims or more or uncle, dear, you know when see. Because I don't see why I'm papaya there. Won't be sure. Now, who are people who turn to my baby, you know. May banning the public system from coming to the funeral. And they boldly told me they will go to Antenna. And oh my God, I have waited for that day. We don't have me. Can they say Busli? And how the government are gonna be Jimmy Papa because my shadow packaging Jimmy B or closet move for that activity. And see, one me tongue will fear a bush will fear someone. Nobody is interested. I also want to tell you people today. Social media and solve a problem. Esseno. I am the owner of social media. I'm the owner of Mark Zuckerberg. I have been in this game since 2003. Social media and solving problem. It just make matters worse.
So busia aha ana Afia Schwar cheche mu de FD for mfaton so mo de 7 period bribe umamwa poison krom ma kwan mo aton no Ghana ha na chese mo so majo mo share e de asho mo botom na Afia Schwar nsem na nyi wenko ana obekan ye o cheche nsemu e ma enuoma chese Dr. Grace Boadu ebekan na bonten se ya poison no e wo Dubai ye kohwe ne system mu no na chese obi a poison na chese aka be 3 days ama wawuni na no Afia Schwar saba bibie secret bi any keys bi a chese enya asem ketwa san so e na eye software your friend a Bible a no kwafo so ensema o Bible nti be kan say sabusua no anje na ntuma na say o mama ne kwama na mbe fie obi a o de eye audios bi be piepie ni ade no Afia Schwar ga ebie ki bi a chese wo chim say $60,000 bi a chese eye Dr. Grace Boadu na chese ogifri eye osofu yi honom enya de a osofu no so bi jai amasa isika na kada osofu no beje ni sika ne o china anada bia obeje.
Social media is not a platform to resolve issues. Sit people down. Converse, commune. Have a conversation. Why is it in a task? Well, yeah, we had the two needed. You check Iron Road. Ye DC a 20-story apartment. Would the county so 70 years here mean? I so thing. Munya careful. When you're very careful. Me say. Mami ebusu afo no. Ma betu mo fo baako. Bi betu de toss me, you know. Mami ebusu ma betu mo baako. Bi betu de toss me, you know. Ultra carbon e bidio. Ultra carbon e bidie. Ultra carbon sani pa yare ha. Kenye Ghana ni libi hu. Ka Queen Elizabeth yensi no. Mutie. Obi kasa. Ya mutie ni din. Na mu hu se wo twantro. Mami we be ka chese no ko Dubai. Eni hu se bien ya poison no. Ena Dr. Fosse only 3 days cry obewu enti wonko fienko mpacho Dubai abruchire mo yentanse. Let's analyze this statement. Even Ghanaian doctors go omo timo thing. Kolebu doctors omo timo thing. na wakokolebo pa ne usi a poison aka 3 days we yesi kofie ne ko ne fie duro wo ho efie ye mo kire obi ka sama me se ma me nti nkomoda owu ya me start say me tete nkom say enti we na Ghana for tu di na chi na chesa mo de na mo ano ye shape na mo ano article mo style bia oni omo package ne style bia moto ye rebranding style bia ma moto style bi on mepa me saka bio me va wako 37 wako G wako Takrady Hospital wako Sunya General Hospital udu ono doctor say who say ya poison aka 3 days na wo doctors nisi kofie koye wo well na mpacho efie ye wo nura ye de flash wo system e paper poison ana. I just want to know. Nan kampa Dubai. Nan kampasi Dubai. Na nipa aka 3 days amu me as a cabin crew, I will tell you on authority because my year Juma will play more answer na me baby entertainment. Obi aka 3 days amu play ni bia amfa. Play ni bia amfa. Say you free hospital, say will be what it will be on your medical record. Play ni bia amfa. Near the walk of baby. Wonderful. Money on the that and because no jina sorry them and a walk and a banner see now and to go ahead and yeah they're gonna pour bombs and quasia same say somebody is addicted to painkillers no what who know no when your reaction no bother ma no the story way about the town now what the story way about kanko now when another bombs them. How stupid can a human being be? I am saying it again. Hospital never die, hospital never fear, Ye do koho. Near catcher will say, Ubia poison. No moon to me, shawa. Ye be frambulance. Near be paid a bigger hospital. Almost soon to me, shawa. Ye be frambulance. Near the walk a bigger hospital. This woman has been selling nonsense and bullshit to you people all this while, and you've been buying it. Why are you not educated? Munko school ana. Me say, Ghana na mo healthcare system, eye bullshit, eye bogus no. So uko Ghana hospital be, near realize poison in your system. No doctor will discharge you. Campus wako Dubai. Now go Dubai. And a dear tester and your koye. And you who say you're poison. And you're poison one. I 3 days now be woo. And the Dubai doctor, actually when they will say, who are 3 days now be woo. They did not airlift you in an ambulance. Who did? Your aeroplane say ambulance. Me brother, you're obeying accident to Ghana. I have a video here. Almost airlifting, yeah, the ambulance to Switzerland. ABC Kumasi airport to try. And never far armor, never call Switzerland because you're Swedish. Yeah, airlifting, me brother, you're on accident. Now, what ye? Yeah, airlifting. Sebra ukrumu bobewu, of which grace says can be. Yeah, airlifting, but. Obruni to me share when you catch us, madam. I can't not say I'll be into Koneko. I can't afford to make Jay's same way. And Quasi Assam Kakakasa. Can't afford to make it, yeah. Everything they sell to you, you will buy. Everything they sell to you. And you want my film tell me at that phone also. Everything they sell to you, you will buy. Everything they sell to you, you will buy. When you're careful. And ma will be in tone with you, I will not know me that. And for more, I repeat. edro no bi da no emane ntoma ene ne bibia na glitter e good me kwa sorry my elite one say ye kantre wo mo say omo mabo ya mane omo nkosi omo busuani no omo ne sofo ni wo difference bi omo nko settle because guess what mami ni fie for no mo kasa pa omo kasa mami ni fie for no me fie for omo kasa me next week my better audios my Bobby when you say stereo recorders since I record it me say mama no when free South Africa na buy no be we know yare they just want to lie to you people to maintain that hospital to continue what they were doing which is not right Mimi ni bibi amame no eye wo hospital ho the maternity also awadu sa awadu dia I came to tell you woni bi onam no IVF I have audios and I just came to prove to the family that I have audios kasa ni yo mo omo fa so for this Scammer yeah, I don't really even give a fuck about that software. Or software beja we akodi girl ya a juma baby because girl no the juma na nam. Or ye juma ra. Girl no ye juma ra. Or ye juma ra no the juma na nam. Software no. Oh yes. I draw pretty. Me person me dem no beto. Na make say I am not the pastor's spokesperson. Me babe too mofo. Someone ye careful. Na everyday for bit me mo bi ablemu bibia. Shanye the check say sister no edu me no. Let's cast mo of mo. Now you see you suffer no. Sister no edu me no you see suffer no. So mo be ware sansa no kwade mu yame sansa no of Sweden near Switzerland slip of tongue she's Swedish so that of Sweden mini akwa na hona na irene ne mani now I was just slip of tongue FDA no enye beans mpo eye beans asai FDA no eye beans a yedi ensa tutuma me na nya wo kakra dia they will give you the permit to sell nonsense I don't pretty so it's true what's that me asemsi a no my di na me no ma me no I me cry you know I'm starting to me check and balances now I'm starting hearing interviews and I'm like and the radio presenters will be by interview mo musa questions ana will be by interview mo musa questions ana and I will buy our envelope continue I was someone make come say sama no ko Obi pa interview musa questions no be a say ya poison yes 3 days yes ko fie ko once ko ono soko Mesramo What is the common name of ultra carbon? Pacho, Mwana Moon. Pacho, Umuatro, Ultra Carbon, Ultra Carbon, Ultra Carbon, Pacho, and upside down. What will be a true? Amo Michelle, Ultra Carbon, What's in him? So be why the beginning, no. What's in him? What's the same saying? What's not radio station? I can't more bones. What's in him? So be why the beginning, no. What's in him? What's in him? The be a yam or grad uncle and a booty pama, me a booty passadia was a man. What's in him? Mutene hen se ultra carbon e di nyani nipa ultra carbon e bidie kwan e di bidie nyane no kwan e di bidie nyane no ma me ne busuafo no omo ne sofo ne gotena se no omo solve omo issues no omo fa sofo ne sika ma no na asundue Emra, said, I'm late, I'm coming. Now, Sundrimbra, Emra. Because, oh, Mama, if you know my ability, what can snake asa? Me, I don't say for what not no be a Mama, I'm near friend of Victor. Now, I could do Mama, I'm near friend of Prince. Between Victor and the Prince, why near the poison? Why not obey the poison, Kojano? Sorry. I still remain the queen, the owner of Ghana. Bidi the queen of Afia Schwar. Me koda. Asam koda mkodare. Ma kobo me nsem. Na ma su nyankopon awoma me nyansa. No wama me nimdie. Ultra carbon eye bidie. Ultra carbon eye chako. Ultra carbon eye chako. Mami wait me kotena radio station boldly. National Media Commission, I'm free station, I'm free obi. Every year for me, I say, I smoke him. Ultra carbon, a charcoal, one so far with phone. Never the common name or the common component for ultra carbon. Never remember. And the interview na busiafo nam no bi ne ko no na wa ne ko no just so they will promote that work hospital to you people. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. No we do enko enwu. No da wa ne kon ni na ne wo ne pane ne kon ni na ne wo ne kon ni na apane. O bi anko enwu. O yare na yare o yare no fa ko hospital. Ne ko hwehwe wo video Niam for machine. And she show video. And more being told be mount. Or being packaged being and fabricating to so. And a tom mount. The we are say one. You near with D4. You near with D4 and and no be and a woman if you have a conscience, maybe. Yana, she is jealous. I am not jealous. I pity you people. You make us say then. Uric acid, obia or uric acid on you. Me go to be. I am yam to make see uric acid coslo. Jai salmon re, jai one re, jai one re. And when you balance your diet, it's okay. It's okay. Obia battle gout. Any man. Uric acid coslo. Or Dr. Bema would draw or bet show things not to eat. Mojanam. Mujanam, salmon, aponchinam is not your business. Mentrinam is not your business. High rains, yeah, one day I won't make and one you'll be okay. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. No one can kind. It's slow. What do you say? No, or be cancer man, walk or Google. What the end trump Fawanoka, Google, what is this? Naba. Okay, kind. If you read, you will know. I read a lot. I research a lot. Who kasana biti? Na me add, na me subtract it. And that me tell sister this will be there or why did any pano. Enka CNN phone a be interview no with all due respect. So was Sadiana you didn't any pana things without doing research. They will sell you things without doing research. The person who cannot lie to you, Google. Go to Google. Manas Azuri did a research. Only almost product bottle taken for granted. I don't see why it will be here. I don't know here Drew. Now be taken for granted. I don't see why I say will be high. Now be taken for granted. You don't take people in their vulnerable state for granted. That's why some of us don't like us. And can you make me just can be a bebumo? Miss Mitya just can be a kamanotum. Now my catch money. Momos will be a sorry who or Ghana. Now me Afia, I don't associate myself with that person. I am trying to avoid that. Who say me who bibi, me bibi, me nice bibi so, and maybe dear Afia me from Kuchuchi Sagatani. Me say, pays Boadu or your fraud. And what they want to sell is those fraudulent medicines. Ultra carbon and sayari and nanifu. Ultra carbon a pity. Ultra carbon a pity. Mammy no jare. Mammy no him so be. Mammy no a one penny. And ma will be. I'm a ton the phone and mount. Minya, na ya ni ebumwa na ya me mobo. Ebumwa na ya me mobo. Ebumwa na ya me ya. Ebumwa na me tete. Na me high. Unsusu wate mu ye nipa. Me say a free nakro obi kasema. Go to Google and verify. Go to Google and check. What is the simplest name of this? Google Bema. No one said you can do a Google it. Just Google it. What's it? Macrocardi. What do you want to call it? And lies. Brains and lies. Or the Juma and the Batomoso. Everything she was selling was scam. Since the family want to talk, we are waiting for them. They should talk. Now then I saw for the interview. Then Kawu will $60,000. I could do be one Kawin interview. Kawin interview. Obi are that them now woman is now would you and work and Kawin interview. Emi kodwayako why? Ikodwayako. Kodi amkase bibia ye kan on radio. Susan Chanel won so ya advert on radio so. And my skin is telling you what Susan Chanel can do. My skin is communicating the strength of Susan Chanel. I don't advertise for Susan Chanel. I don't advertise for anybody because I'm in school. I don't have time. Go check. I don't advertise for anybody. But I can still tell you authority. My skin is communicating the Susan Chanel story.
So busiano ana chese yakwakuti aba chese Afia Schwar ne Ghana na ni abre a chese wokeka na adwen de kire eye Dr. Grace Boadu abusuafo a chese wade omokrampo se omombra bonten na ombeka no kore na nya sa pade a audios de obedrop bebre na ene edia expose Dr. Grace Boadu na obi awuse na chese yebehwe na akora na chi na se bibia aye kama no afi na chese nipa no nyoma wo ye ni nanom yeba be expose no nkakra ewo social media no so Afia Schwar ne ga chiri ma social media nyasem yi say asem enti wonim na okofa wa asem to social media say Kim wo wu kura nkenye unima anka wanfa mba social media enti Afia Schwar ana chese waba abonti ababe expose Dr. Grace Boadu na chese wa cheche ni se ma dropping more secrets na chese ode chere gada for se nyoma e call so ebre Dr. Grace Boadu e wati wiase na wa cheche nkrofo a se ofrima obetimi possibly ebetimi ayo mo ana chese muku no Afia Schwar so wasa audios ni na ti gusu edi nsem nachi eda obe drop sa audios no abusua ya de bebro enunti ana mesro se obi mi subscribe button no na o mi abel na egwonche like video no so na bibia enye kama ha eye insight ejit nyakobo nshaw afeso onyo kese se wo jimbre na okame ho makra